Hey everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to a new Provision-ISR Video Server. This compact device can convert any analog camera up to 5 megapixels into an IP camera. It's a PoE device or can be powered up by 12 volts. Additionally, it's got a 12 volt output to power up any analog camera. It supports 8 alarm inputs and 4 alarm outputs. It features an audio in and audio out, and it supports a 256GB SD card slot for internal storage. It offers built-in AI DDA object recognition based on human, 4-wheel and 2-wheel vehicles, and supports line crossing, sterile area, heat maps, face detection, and object counting analytics. The alarm in and out of this device significantly extends the capabilities of your NVR. This is significantly useful if you need to trigger multiple devices far away from your NVR or connected to alarm zones. Feel free to incorporate this powerful tool into your next project. Good luck.